Hello everybody, I hope you're having a great day. In this video we're going to be doing another trade recap. Here's my trade execution and let's get right into it. So starting off, coming into the day around 8 o'clock, I see that the assets are manipulating this relevant swing. While we are doing that, NQ is trading into this 4-hour fair value gap. And that was pretty much my observation there. Taking into consideration that YM was the only asset that hadn't manipulated this previous week high, and just overall higher time frame structure was very bullish, I wanted to see a strength switch to trade YM towards these highs, right? So coming to the hourly, what do we have? Let's play this next hourly candle. This is right around the opening time, right? So you see we have SMT right here with this previous hourly candles low, which is that 8 o'clock candles low. If we drop down then to our 30 minutes, which is what I wanted to see, then we have this 9 o'clock candle become a PSP, right? So we have SMT at this candle because it's a PSP. And then we have SMT with this PSP's low, right? So this is our two-stage Kraken correlation and our strength switch on YM to then trade it towards these highs. And again, on the higher time frame here, guys, remember, we're trading YM actually turning into the leading asset because it was the lagging, right? YM was lagging because it was the only asset that hadn't taken this previous week high. So this strength switch here on the open at end of the week, assuming YM wants to play catch up, is us just trading this lagging asset turn to leading. So let's go down to the lower time frame here, and I'm going to show you how I actually position myself to get within this trade. So YM here was retracing to this 1 minute fair value gap, right? You see this 1 minute fair value gap is respected by YM, and then we get a strong close near this SIST. I anticipated this SIST right here because I could have entered simply off this fair value gap, right, with my stop at these lows, but instead I anticipated this SIST here, and my position looks something like this with my stop at these wicks and my TP at the high. When we got this closure above this SIST, I simply trailed my stop here at this body, and when we took this hourly high right here, I actually put my stop break even, which was also within this candle. So actually within this candle, I put my stop break even with the idea that we took this hourly high. I did not want to see us have any deep retracements, especially that we had put this fair value gap in. I wanted to see the support price higher. And then let's actually play through price here. And if you couldn't get in within this signature, this was another opportunity for you to get long, right? So if you couldn't take the position I got in, you could have taken something like this yourself, right? And targeted these highs, which was like another 5-hour opportunity. And you see we have a very low resistance run to these draws because we have that strength switch. When the lagging asset turns leading to trade towards these SMT breaks is usually when you're going to find these fastest runs, right? There's no resistance in this run, and these are the type of expansions I prefer to be on side in. I really hope everybody understands the logic to that trade. If you do not, fire away in the questions tab. Don't be shy to ask me questions, and I hope you all have a good day. Catch you later. Peace.